Hola, hola! Today is Tuesday, April the 20th, and it's social studies time. Check out my girl up here. She's in the kitchen. She's about to do a service. She's cooking. Now think of what could be a good that a chef could make for you. Tell me something. What could they cook for you? What do you think she's about to cook up? Make a prediction. A cake? Some bread? Cupcakes. So many good predictions. Today, we will identify examples of goods and services in the home, school, and community. Say those two yellow words with me, please. First, goods. Good, good, good. Next, services. Bravo! Here she has the service of being a chef to cook you some food. How will we study goods and services today? We will watch a brain pop, then distinguish between goods and services using a Google slide sort activity. Why? We will understand the difference between goods and services. Goods and services, they are different. Today you'll have a job to put all the goods over here and all the what over there? Services. Good job. Goods on one side, services on the other. But we have to make sure you know how to distinguish between the two. How do you know who is who? Here comes Annie and Moby to help us out. Dun, 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 dun. Brain Pop Jr. Goods and services. Let's see what they know. Eyes on your screen, paying attention to goods and services. Goods and services. Take a look at that. A robot. Is that a good or a service? Good, good. A bus driver. Good or service? Service, service, service. You're amazing. Let's get started. Meow. Let's try again. Please. Brr. Top secret, don't peek. Here we come. Hooray!
Isn't this exciting, Moby? Everyone's selling stuff to raise money for new computers. What are you selling? You're selling signed photos of yourself?
All right, pause. Moby has a picture of himself. He signed it. He kissed it. And he's selling it. Is that a good or a service? Show me thumbs up for good. Thumbs down for service. On a photo. What do you think? Good or service? It's a good. It's a thing you can touch and use, remember?
You're selling signed photos of yourself?
Silly Moby.
What are goods?
Pay attention.
People buy and sell different kinds of goods.
What?
Goods are things that are made or grown. Clothes, computers, and cars are examples of goods that are manufactured.
Remember these. If you see them in your Google Slides today, you put them on the good side. Clothes, technology, and vehicles.
Or built or made. Fruits and vegetables are goods that are grown.
More goods.
Many goods come from natural resources. Wood is a natural resource that we use to make goods.
So trees are goods or services? Goods. You can touch them. You can use them. They're goods.
Like paper and pencils, furniture, and homes.
All of those are goods made out of wood. Good and wood rhyme.
But some people and businesses don't sell goods.
Here come services.
What are services? A service is work that someone does for someone else. A dentist, babysitter, And a bus driver are people who offer services. A teacher provides the service of teaching.
You're welcome.
A firefighter provides the service of keeping people safe.
That's an important one. What would we do if we didn't have the firefighters? We need that service. What other services are there out there?
I'm offering a dog walking service to people in our community.
She will walk your dog for you. How much does it cost for a dog walk? Just $3. Think, what is a service you could do for me today? Could you paint my nails? Could you braid my hair? Could you walk my dog? Could you sharpen my pencil? What other services? Let's keep watching.
Some goods and services are made or offered locally.
All right, take a look here. What is going on? Do we see goods or do we see services? Fresh veggies, vegetables. Are those goods or services? Can I touch them? Can I use them? Can I eat them? That's a good. But the farmer, think about the farmer. What did he do for me? What work did he do for me? He planted the seeds. He watered them. He raked them. He pulled them out. He cleaned them. And now he's selling them. So he is a farmer service selling a good potatoes.
But goods and services can come from other parts of the country. Or from other countries.
Goods can come from anywhere in the world. Other countries might have more pandas or more bananas, and they can send some goods to us. Here in America, we might have something that they need, and we can send them some goods. But we have goods coming from all over, not just here in Elgin. I'm going to pause our video here because we've already seen all the information we need for our goods and our services. I hope you paid close attention so you know what is what. But let's review one more time. Here are some notes for you in your Google Slides that will help you to remember what's a good and what's a service. Everyone say it with me. Here I go. Goods. What are goods? Things we buy or use. Things we can touch. Like here we have a sofa, pillows, furniture, table, chair. Groceries, grapes, apples, peppers, chips, cereal, sodas, ice cream. All of those are goods. And clothes, sweaters, masks, dresses, shorts, shirts, hats, sunglasses. Anything you put on your body is also a good. The other things you'll be sorting today, goods on one side and, let me hear you, services. Services are work or jobs people do to help other people. Here I see 3 jobs. I have a policeman, keeps our city safe. A nurse keeps you healthy. And a babysitter watches the little kids while we are at school. There's some other services we saw in our video. What's this service? Teacher. What's this service? Oh, what's that service? So many jobs people do for us. I might bring you your Taco Bell. That would be a service. Today, you have to show me what you know. Goods and services. Take a look at this slide. It is there to help you in your Google slide assignment. If you don't remember what's a good, what's a service, come back here and check. But I know that you've been studying hard, so I think you're ready. Come meet me on video 2 so I can show you exactly what to do with your Google slide assignment. Hasta pronto.